Hi, Kevin from Technics. So, True Wireless earbuds. The day that this happens is always a terrible day, which is you realise that you've lost one of your earbuds. But the great news is that you've ordered a replacement. But you've only got your original one, and today's the great day that your new one arrives. Now, because they're True Wireless, they need to pair together. But how do you do that? Well, that's easy. Let's talk through the process. So the first thing you're going to do is remember which was your original. That's super important later on. The other thing that's super important is be patient with this process. All of the taps, just be patient. Don't rush through this. Now, we're going to place your new in the cradle. So we've now got a pair. We're going to pop those on charge. I'm going to wait for them to be fully charged. Okay, so let's say they're fully charged now. Turn it around, and the first thing we're going to do is take out the original earbud, not the new one, your original one. So we can take it out, put it in your ear. That's super important because you're going to get some cues as to what to do directly from the earbud. So I'm going to place it in my ear and I'm going to put it into pairing mode. To do that, we do a 7-second press. Okay, it's in pairing mode. Now I need to do 3 taps. And then a 7-second press again. Okay, we're in bud pairing mode, which means that I need to do the same for the new one. Now with this one, all we do is 3 taps to start with. And now 7-second press. Okay, bud pairing. Completed. That's what you're waiting for. If you don't hear any of those cues, you haven't quite done it right, and just start over again. What I've done there is paired them together. So now I've got a working pair of AZ100s. It really is that simple. What you may find you need to do is repair them to your original device, and also have a look on the app just to check the firmware, because you may find that you've got a firmware update that's due that will just make the functionality work even better. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much. We'll see you in another video.